In this module, we are going to talk about global market competition. Globalization has following effects on the global markets. Increased interconnectedness of global markets, global communication, revealed more business opportunities and created more investment prospects. Obviously, when there is a phenomenon of increased global market, it means there would be more business activity. When there is more business activity, there is more movement of people from one state to another for better opportunities of life. And it is creating definitely more investment prospects. And when there is more investment, there is more benefit for the transnational corporations. Globalization has increased inequality through the following two ways. Although global trade gives comparative advantage, but it also increases relative poverty and deprivations and increased specialization. If we see that globalization is increasing in inequality and at the same time it is benefiting to the developing part of the world to an extent. As I told you in my previous modules, that how we are taking, the developing part of the world is taking advantage of the copyrights. They are not much, uh, taken seriously in the developing part of the world, and they publish paperback editions without taking a prior permission from the real owner. So this is how we may say that developing part of the world is also taking advantage of this process of globalization. Globalization has increased the global market competition in the following two ways, but we would see the other ways also. Costs and prices of products, target markets, and adaptation of technology that cause quick production and increasing market share. When there is, you know, costs and prices of products are increasing, or you may call it is declining for any uh, increased trade activity or economic activity, sometimes some transnational corporations put discounts upon different goods. And adaptation of technology definitely gives more production and therefore more economic activity. If you look at this slide, that how this global market competition is going on and making an impact, this market have an impact of globalization. For example, there's an increased trade, greater choice of goods, and then this global market is having monopoly of power of multinationals, structural unemployment from shifting securities, and then there are greater competitions, lower policies, and there are economies of scale, more effect production, and what happened that there is an increased capital and labor mobility, tax avoidance easier. There are multi-dimensional and diversified impacts of this process of globalization on the global market economy and global market competition. Impacts of competition. Productivity is bolstered, well being of consumers is taken into consideration, promotes dynamic markets. The global market competition has negative costs of economic growth for the developing countries. Income inequality is increasing. As I earlier mentioned, that it is not only that uneven state of the different nation states while they are competing with each other. It is, in fact, the efficiency level of the system capabilities that gives any state the advantage of economic fruits. The efficiency level of these system capabilities is assured by the leadership, that how the leadership exploit those system capabilities in a given political system.